Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log into Truecaller app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone. Now search for Truecaller and download the app if you don't already have it installed. Once the app is installed, open the Truecaller app on your phone. On the welcome screen, tap on Next. After that, tap Get Started. Next, enter your mobile number and make sure you choose the correct country code. Then tap Continue. Truecaller will now send you verification code, also called an OTP, by text message. When you receive the code, enter it to the app. In some cases, the app may detect the code automatically. After verification, Truecaller may ask for some permissions such as access to contacts or notifications. Allow the required permissions so the app can work properly. Next, you will be asked to set up your profile, enter your name and choose a profile picture if you want. Once this is done, you will be logged in and taken to the home screen of the app. And that's it, you have successfully logged in to Truecaller on your iPhone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.